Hello everyone. In this session, let us understand the OR operator, the pipe sign that we use to choose one of the options from a group. What I mean to say by that, let us consider a pattern, something like this. A, and in the group we have either B or C. So to specify OR, we have this pipe symbol, and the way it works is it will consider a string AB or AC, or for example, if you have more options, AD, or let us say you have another bunch, something like XYZ, or say 1 2 3, whatever. So inside the group, if you want to specify more options, you can just specify it by using a pipe symbol over here. That's the OR. So let's say a string str1 something like A and 1 2 3. Now it will be a match for this pattern because 1 2 3 is part of the group over here inside the OR. Now let us test it out. Let us say str1, does it match the pattern? And when we run the program, it says true. So likewise, if you say AC or AD or AXYZ, these are also the valid matches for this pattern. But if you try to do something like ACD, for example, if you try to use two options at a time, then it won't work. In case of OR, you can use just one of the options. So ACD will not be a valid option in this case. Okay, that's the important part.